So for breakfast today, I'm gonna be making Vietnamese steak and eggs, which is basically a deconstructed banh mi, and it'll be my first time making it for me and my housemate today, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so for lunch today, I'm going to be making Bánh Bột Lọc, and I'm also going to be making the noodles for tonight because I'm making Bánh Canh for dinner, and it uses the same ingredient. Just gotta boil them. Cheers. Sauce. My second drink of the day. This one is the brown sugar boba milk, or like brown sugar fresh milk or something without the boba, because I don't really like boba. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get get started on dinner now because it's probably gonna take about 3-ish hours to make since it's soup. But yeah, I'm gonna make Bánh Canh, which is one of my favorite Vietnamese noodle soups. It's basically Vietnamese udon. Okay, now I'm gonna prepare the shrimp and then the other meats that go inside the soup. Now I'm gonna make the noodles for the Bánh Canh. We're gonna be using the dough that we made earlier.
Basically, all forward. You don't need to go that far.